Assalamualaikum Madam Jana. My name is NADIRA. So now I'm going to show the calculation preparing 100 ml of 1% albumin solution. So here is the formula that we're going to use, which is percentage of the solution is equal by the mass of the solute in the unit of gram divided by the volume of solution, which is ml, multiplied by 100. So the solution, the percentage of solution here is 1%. Equal by the mass, which is something that we're going to find, divided by the volume of the solution, which is 100 ml, multiply by 100. So 100 divided by 100, going to be 1 here. So the mass of the solute is 1 gram. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jessica VASU from DBT2A. I'm currently doing my diploma in biotechnology in Polytechnic Nilai Negeri Sembilan. I'm hereby today to show you all on the calculation of 50 ml of 1% tyrosine solution. Okay, now we are going to see the calculation of 50 ml of 1% tyrosine solution. We all know that the formula of percentage of weight over volume is mass of solute in grams over volume of solution in milliliter times weight 100. So they are stated that 1% of tyrosine solution, the percentage of weight over volume is 1%, equals to mass of solute in gram, which we don't know yet, over 50 ml because they stated there's 50 ml times with 100. So we are going to transfer this 100 to the left hand side. So 1 over 100 equals to mass of solute in gram over 50 ml. So 0.01 equals to mass of solute of in gram over 50 ml. So mass of solute in gram is equals to 0.01 times with 50 ml. So we'll get 0.5. So the mass of solute for 50 ml of 1% tyrosine solution is 0.5 gram.
Before we do the experiment, we must calculate the how much 1%, how much 100 ml 1% of albumin gram we use the experiment. Okay, 100 ml of 1% albumin. Okay, now we will know the how much gram albumin. Okay, the formula is percent gram of solute bahagi ml of solution darab 100. Okay, now 100. Okay, so 1/100 sama dengan gram of solute bahagi dengan 100 ml of albumin. So 1 bahagi 100 sama dengan 0.01 bahagi darab dengan 100 sama dengan gram of albumin. So gram of albumin sama dengan 0.1 darab 100 sama dengan 1.0 gram. Okay, before we use this apparatus in this experiment, we must cleanse and rinse the apparatus using the distilled water first. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is RAZAK. My number 3 is 93 DBT 28 2022. Okay, now we will do the experiment. How to prepare 100 ml of 1% of albumin. Okay, now we will to introduce the apparatus and material. The apparatus we will do in this experiment is electronic balance, glass rod, the material we will do this experiment is albumin and distilled water. Okay, now we will do the albumin solid. Okay, now we will put the lid on the electronic balance and we must press the tab first. Okay, now the electronic balance is 0.0 gram. Okay, after that we put the albumin solid in 1.0 gram. Okay, we put the albumin solid again until the read balance is 1.0 gram. Transfer the 1.0 gram of albumin solid into the water beaker. Okay, we must dissolve the 1.0 gram of albumin in the water beaker. Make sure the albumin dissolve in the water. Okay, nice. Okay, after that we must transfer all the solution in the beaker into the volumetric flask. Okay, we will add some liter distilled water into the beaker to make sure the all solution clear and transfer to the volumetric flask. Okay, and then we must add distilled water to volumetric flask until the mark. Okay, we will add again until the mark. Okay, nice. Okay, then close the volumetric flask and shake the solution in the volumetric flask. Now we have done prepare the solution. We have done prepare of 100 ml of 1% albumin solution. Okay, that's all the experiment. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum Madam Jana. My name is NADIRA binti Muhammad NIZAM from DBT2A. So now I'm going to show the preparation of 50 ml of 1% Tyrosine solution. So this is the material and apparatus that we need. Firstly is distilled water, 0.5 gram of tyrosine, a digital scale, container lid is a wick board, a glass beaker, a glass funnel, a spoon as a spatula, 100 ml volumetric flask, and lastly a glass funnel. So now, let's begin our experiment. Now, we need to weigh the amount of tyrosine that we already calculated before using a digital scale. The amount of tyrosine that we need is 0.5 gram. In this experiment, I will replace the solute of tyrosine with a sugar. Okay, once we get the correct amount of solute, Now we can transfer it into the glass beaker. By the way, I'm currently using a spoon as a spatula. To make sure that all the solid is fully transferred, we should raise the container lid with the distilled water. So now, we can start mixing the solution with a glass stirrer. We also can add more water if required. Once the solute is fully dissolved, now we can transfer all the solution into the volumetric flask using a glass funnel. But in this experiment, I will use 100 ml of volumetric flask because it's the only I have. Actually, we need to use 50 ml of volumetric flask. We should raise the beaker with distilled water to ensure none of the solution is left behind. We also can raise the glass funnel with distilled water as well. Okay, now we are ready to fill the volumetric flask with distilled water to get the perfect amount. Make sure to view at the eye level. We can stop pouring the water once the bottom of the meniscus is touching the line. Lastly, gently shake the volumetric flask to ensure that all the solution is fully dissolved. Now, we are done. 50 ml of 1% tyrosine solution is ready.
And now we are going to see on the preparation of 25 ml of 1% glucose solution. And that's how you prepare 25 ml of 1% glucose solution.